Can anyone confirm in chat, please? Whether on YouTube or here, that you are able to hear me in Zoom. Okay. Jazakumullah khair. So yesterday, we started with textbook, lesson 11. I will read this paragraph again. This time I will not do the analysis. I will just read it, and I will tell you the meaning of that without doing analysis, so that you know what this lesson is talking about. Okay. Baiti. Let me open. Okay. Baiti, my house. Hada baiti, this is my house. Baiti amam al masjid, my house is in front of masjid. Baiti jamilun, my house is beautiful. Fi hadiqatun saghiratun, it in it is a small garden. Hadihi ghurfati, this is my room. فيها نافذة كبيرة ومروحة جميلة. In it is a big window and a beautiful fan. هذا سريري وهذا كرسيي وهذا مكتبي. This is my bed, this is my chair, and this is my desk. ساعتي وقلمي وكتابي على المكتب. My watch and my pen and my book is on the desk. وحقيبتي تحت المكتب, and my bag is below the desk. نافذة غرفتي مفتوحة, window of my room is open. Okay, نافذة غرفتي مفتوحة. So window of my room is opened. Okay. هذه غرفة أخي, this is my brother's room. وتلك غرفة أختي, and that is my sister's room. غرفة أخي كبيرة وغرفة أختي صغيرة. My brother's room is big and my sister's room is small. غرفة أخي أمام غرفتي وغرفة أختي أمام المطبخ. My brother's room is in front of my room and my sister's room is in front of the kitchen. لي أخ واحد اسمه أسامة. I have one brother, his name is Usama. ولي أخت واحدة اسمها سعاد. And I have one sister, her name is Suad. أبي وأمي في تلك الغرفة الكبيرة. My father and my mother are in that big room. أنا أحب أبي وأمي. I love my father and my mother. وأحب أخي وأختي, and I love my brother and my sister. Okay. So I will do the exercises also myself. What you can do is, I will be doing exercise, I'll be doing analysis, and as I'm reading, you can repeat with me loudly yourself without opening your mic. But I expect answers in chat window, though I'm not asking you. I will give you a chance to read at the end of the session, okay? But I expect you to give answers in chat. So if you see any whatever sentences that you are reading, you can type your answers in the chat. Okay. And if you have any question, you can ask and chat again. Man fi hadha al-bayti, who is in this house? Hadha al-bayti, this is ismul ishara, and this is musharun ilayh. There is al after ismul ishara, the ism that is coming after ismul ishara, there is al to that, al attached to that. So that makes it musharun ilayh. So there is a relationship between them. Hadal bayti, hadal baytu will become this house. Okay, this house. Fihi hamidun. In it is Hamid. Okay, Hamid is in it. You can say in the normal English. Mada fil haqibati. What is in the bag? Okay. Fi harfu jar. So that's why this has become majroor al haqibati. Okay. What is in the bag? Fiha. It is. This is damir muttasil, attached pronoun, used for third person, muannas. Okay. And why it is muannas? Because it is answering the bag. It's about bag. Fiha, in it. And bag is what? It's ending with ta marbuta. So it is muannas, feminine. Fiha kitabi wa qalami wa daftari. So in it is my book and my pen and my notebook. Okay. So what kind of jumla is this? What kind of jumla is this? This is jumla ismiya. Okay. This is jumla ismiya. So when it is jumla ismiya, so you have to look for mubtada and khabar, or mubtada and mutalik bil khabar. Okay. Or mubtada, khabar and mutalik bil khabar. So they can all be together, but at least mubtada have to be there. So fiha is jar majrur. In it, fi is harfu jar, and ha is a damir that is attached to that, and damir is mabni. And I told you yesterday that mabniun, all damair are mabni, but all munfasil damair which are detached are marfu, but muttasil attached damair are either mansub or majroor. And I told you that when they will come in the sentence, you will know whether it is mansub or majroor. So you will know that time. So here, since fi came before ha, that's why ha is in the place of a jar. Okay, it's in the place of jar. So its status is jar. So fiha. Okay, fiha, in it is kitabi wa qalami wa daftari. So fiha is jar majroor. So it is mutalik bil khabar. And kitabu, this becomes what? This is mubtada actually, but you can call the whole thing as mubtada container. Okay, you can call the whole thing as mubtada container. Okay, so let me just so this whole thing is mubtada container. Kitabi wa qalami wa daftari. And they are separated by harfu ataf wa. So harfu ataf joins two words. They join two words. So the word which comes after harfu ataf, it joins with the first word. Okay, it joins with the first word. So qalami, qalam is joined to kitab here. In the same way, wa daftari, daftar is joined to kitab here. Okay, so this is called ma'tuf ala kitab. Qalam ma'tuf ala kitab. Daftar ma'tuf ala kitab. Okay, because it joins to the previous word. Okay. So this is mubtada container and this is mutalik bil khabar. Okay. Now, man fi sayyarati, who is in the car? Fiha abi wa ummi wa akhi wa ukhti. In it is my father, my mother, my brother, and my sister. Again, similar sentence. And again, fiha is used because it is referring to car. Okay, it is referring to car, and this becomes the mubtada container, and this becomes mutalik bil khabar. Man fi masjid al jamiat al ana, who is in the university masjid now, or who is in the masjid of who is in the masjid of university now. Okay. Ma fihi ahadun. Okay. Ma fihi ahadun. What is this? Fihi ahadun. This is what this is. Jumla ismiya. This is jumla ismiya. Right? It is very simple. Jumla ismiya. Fihi ahadun. Fihi is what? In it. Ahadun means one. So it means one in it. One in it. All right. So if you say there is a harfu nafi or ma, so no one in it. Okay. So there is no one in the masjid now because maybe they are all in the classes. So no one in it now, no one in the masjid. So ma, what it does, harfu nafi, it negates the sentence that is coming after it. So this is jumla ismi, it negates. So fihi hadun means one in it. And ma fihi hadun means no one in it. Okay. Okay. So this is ma fi hadun. Man fi hadhihi ghurfati, who is in this room? Fiha al mudiru. Fiha al mudiru. Okay. In it is the principal. This is mutalik bil khabar and this is mubtada. Okay. This is mubtada and that is mutalik bil khabar. Now this is only you have to read it. Now these have come with fi'l al-mudari. Uhibbu abi wa ummi. I love my father and my mother. Now here uhibbu is what? This is fi'l al-mudari, and the file is I, me, first person. So it includes the file with it. So I love abi wa ummi. So what is this? I love whom? So it answers the question of who. I love who? So I love my father and my mother. So abu and are both maf'ul bihi. They are both maf'ul bihi. And maf'ul bihi are mansoob. Maf'ul bihi are mansoob. So abi, though it is written with kasra, but actually it is in the nasab state. Why it is written kasra? Because when ya mutakallim is attached to aba, so it is difficult to pronounce abai. It is difficult to read. You know, it's not a good reading. So it is always when ya mutakallim gets attached to the ism, the previous alphabet, the previous letter also takes kasra with it. But position wise, it is in the state of nasab. I hope this is clear. If nothing is clear, you can ask. Okay. Uhibbu akhi wa ukhti. I love my brother and my sister. So this is also similar to this sentence. Uhibbu zamili. I love my colleague. Okay, my class fellow. Uhibbu ustadi. I love my teacher. I love my teacher. Uhibbullaha. Okay, this is interesting. Uhibbullaha. Why Allah is mansoob here? Why Allah is mansoob here? Why not uhibbullahu? Why not uhibbullahi? Why it is uhibbullaha? Okay, why? I just know. Yeah, because it is maf'ul bihi. Okay, so when in the single word, it is, you can see it in the state of mansoob, but all these sentences, the 4 sentences above, they were all coming with ya mutakallim, so you were not able to see the nasab. You are not able to see it because of ya mutakallim, but position wise they were nasab. Zamilu is actually zamila here because it is maf'ul. Okay. Uhibbun nabiyya. Same thing. I love my nabi. Uhibbun nabiyya. Why it is mansub? Because it is maf'ul bihi. Uhibbun. I love my. I love nabi. Okay. I love the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Uhibbul lughatal arabiyyata. Uhibbul lughatal arabiyyata. I love Arabic language. Uhibbul lughatal arabiyyata. Why it is not lughatul arabiyyatu? Because this is again maf'ul bihi. This is again maf'ul bihi. And lughatul arabiyyatu, they are what? Naat manud. So whatever happens to lughatu will happen to naat of it. Okay, so they will follow each other. That's fine. It will be this Arabiyyata will also become, because they are not one. Okay, brothers and sisters, clear? Oh, great. So we are done with lesson 12. I will go to lesson 11, and I will now go to lesson number 12.